channel. Today I'm going to be doing this messy bun right here. I love this bun and it's super easy. Let's get into it, shall we? I want my buns to be very big and I want them to have a lot of body. So my favorite thing to do to achieve a big messy bun is to tease this part of my hair. So that's what I'm doing first. So now that you have that hair teased, what I like to do is kind of smooth over some of those spots. And then when your hair is up like this and you haven't put it in the ponytail yet or in the bun yet, I like to pull some pieces down. So now that you've got those pieces pulled down, what you do is make sure you have a ponytail, and I usually keep it like this on my hand just because it's easier to grab that bun and just go ahead and whip it up. You're gonna waterfall that hair over the hand that you are holding the ponytail with. Make sure you got that all even. Now that you have all that hair spread over that hand, you're going to grab that with your left hand. Grab that ponytail bunch and then grab it with the other hand. Now that you have that hair in your hand, go ahead and secure that with your ponytail. Wrap it around as many times as you'd like, however tight you'd like your bun. So now that you have that, you can see that I have these crazy pieces hanging down to my face. And you are going to want these hanging down. And you're going to take those in little sections. And I want you to tuck them into that ponytail. You're gonna pull them out, pull that ponytail out and tuck that hair in. Again, take another section. Doesn't have to be perfect. And just tuck it in. Take another section and just tuck that into the ponytail. You're gonna take another section, pull that ponytail out, and you're gonna tuck it in. You can pull it, manipulate it however you want, but that's it, you guys. That's my messy bun. It's super easy, it doesn't take long at all, and if I can do it, you can do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.